John Cleese used to say that he got more ideas than the other people doing the Monty Python sketches. He got more ideas because he dug deeper. He went that little bit further. He worked harder. And that's what you've got to do. You've got to do day 2. So one drawing isn't enough. Never go with just one drawing. Go with 2. If you have 2 drawings, if you have one drawing, it's yes or no. If you have 2 drawings, then, oh, I quite like the legs of that one. Let me put that one there. There's room to play about. So day 2 is the bastard. And you go to bed that night and you're completely wrecked. All you can do is think about this problem. And you wake up in the morning and your wife says you've been absolute pain in the arse. Because you're trying to stir up in the back of your head an image, and you're trying to wake up your librarian, George. And so you go through the process again. Sit down, sharpen 5 pencils, turn off the phone, turn off the radio, turn off everything that goes ping, put a playlist on, settle down, and you start again. And what you're hoping is that George at the back of your head is going, oh Christ, I've got to send him some images. And he's looking through drawings that you've done years and years and years ago. Send that one up. And he looks at it, send that one up. Send that one. And something comes off the end of your pencil. And you go, ooh, that's interesting. Ooh, I hadn't thought of that. It's something that has, and then you've got a second idea, which is a left field idea. It may not be what she asked you to do, but it's a response to the brief. That she may well go for the first one, but you've got another one. And in my experience, all of the good clients go for the second one. They all go for the second one. If you have spent your time drawing objects that you like the shape of, there'll be lots of them up there. If you haven't, there's nothing up there. So forget it. You have to have done the drawing. You have to have done the looking at the world outside you. You have to have done that. But to have something for your poor old George to send up. If there's nothing in his library, then he'll be sending up the same old images. He's only got 10 there.